Look at example 10.10 from your textbook. So this one also the same thing, using substitution. They said by using substitution, y equals to vx, solve the differential equation dy dx equals to 3x minus y over x. So we'll go through the same step. The first step is we differentiate. Differentiate what? Differentiate this one. Differentiate what they give you to sub. So we have y equals to vx. So differentiate, we will get dy dx equals to v and x is variable. So to differentiate, use product rule. V stay, x differentiate is 1 plus x stay, v differentiate is dv dx. Next step is we will sub y and dy dx, means sub this one and sub this one into our question, into our original equation. So on the left side we got dy dx, so we will sub this whole thing. So dy dx is equals to v plus x dv dx. Okay, left side equals to the right side is 3x minus y. Y we have to sub with vx over x. Okay, so done the substitution part. Next is we simplify. So here we see that we can take out our x, so become 3 minus v over x. This part stays the same, v plus x dv dx, and then we can cancel. Therefore our equation is v plus x dv dx equals to 3 minus v. Here got v, here got v, so I can bring negative v to the left side. It becomes positive v. V plus v positive v, or v plus v is 2v plus x dv dx equals to 3. Next part is we choose whether we want to separate or FEMC. So actually, so now I am going to use FEMC for this one. Okay, okay, just some tips about FEMC is that this FEMC, they can also be used even though we can separate the equation, because when so like this one, actually we can separate the equation and we can solve, but using FEMC is actually easier. Okay, even though we can separate. So now I will use FEMC. So FEMC, usually we want to write it in this form. The dv dx will be the first term, plus 2v equals to 3. So before this, our FEMC is dy dx. Now it's dv dx. It's just, instead of y, it is now v. And the first step in FEMC is f. F means what? F means free dv dx. Here our dv dx got x, so we have to divide everything by 1 over x, sorry, times 1 over x. So it's become dv dx plus 2 equals to 3 over x. Oh, plus 2v over x, sorry, because over x. Okay, next after f is e, our integrating factor. So to make finding our integrating factor easier, I will write our equation in this form, plus 2 over x v equals to 3 over x. Okay, integrating factor, just so sekarang ni is that instead of y, now all is v. So our integrating factor, kalau before this is the function besides y, now it's the function besides v, which is 2 over x. Then we will integrate, become 2 ln x, which is e ln x square, which is x square. So our integrating factor is x square. So we done f e m, m is multiply everything by our integrating factor, so become d over dx x square plus 2 over x v times x square equals to 3 over x times x square. So this one cancel, this one also cancel, become dv dx x square plus 2 Vx equals to 3x. I'm done. Next is C. C is combine the left side, so it's d dx. So before this we will put d dx and then y integrating factor. So in this case, since it is v, so d dx v integrating factor equals to 3x. So if we try to differentiate vx square, v stay, x square differentiate is 2x, x square stay, v differentiate is dv dx. So sama. Okay, continue. After we combine, we integrate. So how to integrate? Vx square equals to integrate 3x, bring dx to the right side. So now it's Vx square equals to 3x square over 2 plus c. So now your answer is in the form of v, but our question is x, so we need to sub in back v. Sorry, but our question is y, so we need to sub back v with y from this one. Our v is supposed to be y over x, so we will sub v with y over x, x square equals to 3 over 2 x square plus c. So ni cancel, so tinggal yx equals to 3 over 2 x square plus c. We only want y, so divide everything by x. This one become 3 over 2x. Sorry, 3 3 over 2x plus c over x. So done.